Hi guys, Alexandre over here. This video is going to be about how to change the rear shocks on a Ford Focus Mk1 vehicles. These kind of models were built from 98 till 2004 to 5, something like that. We are using today some TRWs. These are the codes. Do not heat, do not open. This is the original hologram. As I can see, both are using the same codes, 481, 407 and JGT25 1T. Yeah, so there's no designation for left right on these ones. So let's get started. So prepare the toolbox, prepare a 19mm socket. You should be using a impact socket, black ones, for removing the nuts, but whatever. I've raised the car up, so like this. Put it on the jack stands, and let's get started. Okay, that's the end of the bolt for the rear shock, and on the bottom side here is the nut and bolt for okay, so this is the removed shock from the left side of the rear left side of the vehicle. Don't know if it's visible, but you can see Motorcraft, Ford Motorcraft, official original equipment manufacturer shock. It lasted around 320,000 kilometers, a lot if you ask me. This is the bottom bolt, this is the top bolt. We managed to remove them without breaking them, which is a good thing. In order to remove this one, you will have to, this is let's say inside of a cavern, sort of. So imagine that it's like this, you're facing front, so you have to rotate it like this and just take it out. Okay. So it's completely shut, it should rebound. But it doesn't. You can hear the sounds that it makes. So what we have used to remove the bolts is the, let me show you, DCF 922 DeWalt, the little 18 volt brushless XR with a 5 amp hour 18 volt battery on it. Let me try and show you. So there is the place where the shock goes. This is the inside, this is the nut which is welded to the frame itself. And on the bottom side, this is the hole for the shock, for the bolt. And on the bottom side, the welded nut. So let's try and mount the new one. So let's see how we can mount this one. Something like this. You leave the strap that comes with it, and okay, so it is installed. You just now have to wiggle it to push the bolt through, and then cut this strap off, take it out, and secure all the bolts in. I'll show you once it is inside. Once again, top side, as you can see, there's the bolt hole. You need either a breaker bar or an impact gun, and also use that extension over there plus this one. It should be good to go with a 15mm socket. Okay, so what needs to be done right now is have the wheel raised in a working position. Yeah, because these rubber bushings need to be tightened exactly when the shock absorber and spring is loaded. So right now I'm gonna tighten the bolts, and that would be it. The car is now ready on its wheels. Let's see a test. Very strong. This is Alex Andrei Zar. Thank you for watching. Hit like, share and subscribe buttons, and see you next time.